What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kulturekidd, aka Dad. Those you already know, I'm back with another YouTube video. Listen. I'm back with another fucking video, bro. Listen. I know I've been going for a while. I was supposed to drop videos after videos, but I've been busy. Since I came back from Miami, bro, I've been busy with school. I had to handle school because I was supposed to get in school, but now I'm good. Now I'm in campus now. I got hella motherfucking videos coming up for you. I got like 3 bangers that I did in Miami I gotta drop. I'm still working on that shit, but I did that little clip of this video, bro. I'm dropping today, bro. This video, bro, I want y'all to run that shit up, you know what I'm saying? Give that shit to like 1,000 likes, you know what I'm saying? But listen, the title of this video is Best of My Voice, Guess Where I'm From, you know what I'm saying? I did that shit with my boy Mez. Shout out to Mez, bro. That's my brother right there, bro. This nigga was helping me filming that shit. We had mad fun in Miami, bro. But listen, if you're new to the channel, forget to like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Road to 10K, you heard?
She wants Chanel, she can get it. Louis V bag and Dior her tin. They lock the door and we walk infinity. Say the hundreds, them doors be spinning.
Tell them what your name is.
Sasha. Raquel.
How y'all doing today?
Good. Great.
So I got 2 questions for y'all, right? So the first question is, can you rate me with my mask on from 1 to 10?
I give you 8.5.
You gotta take that mask off.
That's what I said. I'm gonna take it off.
7.
7. So based on my voice, right? Mm-hmm. What would you rate me?
I give you about a 7.5-ish.
7.
7.
I give
Why you had to scratch your head like that?
I give you a 9.
7.
7? Why you keep a 7 though?
I like dreadheads, so huh? Yeah, you know.
Alright, what would you rate my boy though?
Without the mask, I would say like a 8. 8. I'm gonna give him 8.
I give him a 7.5.
7.5. Why a 7?
Cause I don't really like dark skin.
Like,
I don't like my complexion.
I like light skins, but
so why you have to give me a 7?
because you just, you look like you're like 12.
How old you think I am?
20.
No.
22.
21.
21.
I just turned 21 today.
Oh, today!
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. So the next question, right? The last question is, can you guess where I'm from? It's on my voice.
I don't fucking know.
What about you?
Yeah, no, I don't know. Because people say I'm country and I don't sound country, so I don't know.
So you think I'm from Jersey, but I'm actually from Haiti.
Oh, okay. All right.
So yeah, that's it. So can y'all shout out your Instagram real quick?
Mine says Stony.
Sasha, SAASHH_. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Hey, tell them your name again.
Andrea.
Nice to meet you, Andrea. How you doing today? Good. All right. So I have a question for you today. I'm going around asking people, right? With the mask on my face, would you rate me 1 to 10?
A 9.
Okay, a 9. All right. Is it because I have my shirt off? I'm joking.
I don't know.
So I'm gonna take the mask off now. Do you still feel the same way?
Yeah, I'd say 10 now.
A 10 now.
Yeah.
Oh wow, 10 now. Wow, this is my friend right now. This is my friend. I'll take a number after this. But yeah. Well, so now based on my voice, I have one more question for you. Where do you think I'm from based on my accent?
I don't know. I really can't.
You can't tell?
No.
Just give me like a guess.
I don't know.
There's no. You're
From
not
here.
thinking of a state.
From here. You know, I can't.
Oh, from here? Oh, no. I'm not from here.
Yeah, I can't tell.
I'm from Jersey. I'm from
Okay.
Jersey, yeah. So people sometimes say I got a New York accent. I don't know if that makes sense. If
Yeah,
that works.
I don't. I can't really tell that.
Okay. All right. Where you from?
I'm Mexican.
Oh, you're Mexican.
Yeah,
So
but
you-
we're from Chicago.
Oh, you're from Chicago. Wow, that's tough. That's tough.
Yeah.
All right, well, I appreciate you. So do you want to shout out your Instagram, Snap, anything?
It's I don't even know what the Instagram that I have right now. It's AR257385. A lot of numbers.
All right. Hey, they got it.
They just deleted my account, so yeah, people go follow me on there because my account got deleted for no reason.
All right, go follow her. Thank you so much for having us. Appreciate it. All right, have a great day. All right,
You too.
God bless.
Tell them what's your name is.
Brittany. Melissa.
How y'all doing today?
Good.
Where y'all from?
Here. Yeah. I gotta find you. Yeah.
So I got two questions for y'all today, right? So can you rate me from 1 to 10 with my mask on?
With your mask on. Honestly, I don't think I can I'm the same thing.
You got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Alright, so the next question is, right? So based on my voice, based on my accent, where you think I'm from?
Your accent?
Yeah.
I don't know. Georgia.
You wanna take another guess?
Like Florida?
No, I'm not from here.
No?
No, I'm from Haiti.
Oh, from Haiti?
Yeah.
Oh shit, is your family okay? Yeah. Sorry, I
Yeah,
just
but the
know,
earthquake,
yeah, I know a lot of people that have family there, that's why.
But thank you for asking.
Of course.
Yeah, so that was a question, but can you shout out your
Oh, it's at Brittany Marie _99. I don't have social media. No?
That's good. Keep it like that.